What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Just Plays K Spot, and back with another video. And today we got a unboxing. If you go back to my David's birthday party vlog, go check that out, parts 1 and 2. In part 2, I copped a pair of shoes. If you don't know which one they are, I actually did I slowed the video down, and those ones I got, but yeah, I got these size 12 Air Max 97 Ultra Plus. I think it's like Ultra Plus. I think that's what they're called. And the name of them, like the actual name, is I guess you can call them Antharcites, but because they do have the anthracite color in them, so Antharcites, I guess. Yeah, Antharcites. So boom. I actually had I've already worn these. That's why the laces are like that, but MS on the tongue. Orange insole, orange outsole. Very nice colorway. Something simple. Yeah, someone's calling me. But yeah, so very simple. Nothing I can say. This part right here is 3M. I'm definitely gonna have some pictures that I'll put in the video. It's like down the line, but this is pretty much a shoe. Don't have this video be really long, just like quick review on them. Love the shoe. They're very comfortable. Can wear them on almost anything. Like this shirt right here, I've worn them with long sleeve Miami, University of Miami. But yeah, so let's get into the on feet. I got it's in two different it's in two on feet. One on my back, at the back of my house, and the other on the front. Whichever one I like, I'll put in the video. But yeah, that's about it. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gone.